everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a TikTok sound on a video with a CapCut new update. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you wanna add a TikTok sound on your video at your CapCut, it's so simple. So you just click on the audio at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the sound. And now you can click on the TikTok apps like this and click on the sign in with a TikTok. Click on it. And after this, in here you can click on the authorize, click on it. And in here you can see the sound at your TikTok. The sound save at your TikTok. So you just click on it and click a plus icon in here and finish. So that's how to add a TikTok sound on your video with CapCut. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.